Degrees of culpable homicide. For the purpose of fixing punishment proportionate to the gravity of the offense, the BNS, presumably referring to Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, recognizes 3 degrees of culpable homicide. First degree. Culpable homicide of the first degree is the gravest form of this offense, defined as murder under Section 101. Second degree. Culpable homicide of the second degree is punishable under the first part of Section 105. It involves culpable homicide committed with intention. Third degree. This is the least severe form of culpable homicide, where the punishment is the lightest among the 3 grades. It is punishable under the second part of Section 105 and involves culpable homicide committed with knowledge rather than direct intent. A person is responsible for causing death if their actions, knowingly or recklessly, have a high probability of leading to fatal consequences. For example, if A loosens the brakes of a vehicle knowing it could cause death, and B rides that vehicle and dies as a result, A will be held responsible for B's death. Similarly, in the case of Jamaluddin, 1892, the accused was guilty of culpable homicide after beating a girl to death while attempting to exorcise a spirit. Even negligence, when it demonstrates knowledge of the probable consequences, can result in a culpable homicide charge. What are the 3 degrees of culpable homicide recognized under BNS? First degree, the gravest form, defined as murder under Section 101. Second degree, punishable under the first part of Section 105, involving culpable homicide with intention. Third degree, the least severe form, punishable under the second part of Section 105, involving culpable homicide with knowledge. How is knowledge treated in cases of culpable homicide? Knowledge of the high probability of causing death makes a person responsible for the resulting fatal consequences. For example, loosening the brakes of a vehicle knowingly can lead to a culpable homicide charge if it results in death. What precedent demonstrates the concept of culpable homicide with knowledge? In Jamaluddin's case, 1892, the accused beat a girl to death while attempting to exorcise a spirit. The court held them guilty of culpable homicide, as their actions were reckless and showed knowledge of probable fatal consequences. K.M. Nanardi v. State of Maharashtra, 1962, this case explored the distinction between intent and knowledge in killings under grave provocation. 1. State of Andhra Pradesh v. Appannaya, 1977, the Supreme Court held that the probability of death determines if an act is murder or culpable homicide.
Let's do this.